Okay, so emmet variables. In here, you can set the variables that emmet uses in its snippets. Let me show you an example. So if we press the, if we expand this abbreviation, we have a bunch of variables here like lang equals en, which is English, charset, content. I'm not sure if this is one, but it probably is. You have a bunch of other ones. Now let's use this one, lang en, which is English, and let's change that variable. Let's change lang to pt, which is Portuguese. And now when we expand this exclamation point, lang equals pt. So this is what you can do here. It's definitely useful. Most of my sites are English anyway, so I'm going to leave the default one and not change anything in variables.